Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. If you're just joining us for the first time today, you are highly welcome. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And to my old subscribers, thank you for always tuning in to watch my videos. So today we'll be making a pin cushion. And things you'll be needing are this hard cover paper, your glue gun, scissors, your black thread, depending the kind of material you want to make use of, needle, your hand needle, your gum for the glue gun, your elastic, either the big size or the smaller size, it depends your choice. Then the material you want to use, you can use any fabric you feel like using, is your choice. Then a circle shape that you use to trace the particular design you feel like working on. Then your fiber, you can use foam, or if you have fiber too, you can use fiber. It's all yours. So that's it. Let's get into the real deal. So here I'm using the round shape cover to trace out the pattern. Then after that, I cut out. So this is me trimming the sides to make it small. So here you place your fabric, you place it on the particular fabric you want to use. So you're going to use the fabric to cover the pattern, and you use your hot gum to seal it up. You can see that's what I'm doing here. So here I'm done covering it. After that, you bring another fabric again, put in your fiber, then smoothen the folded area, then wrap it up and tie with a black thread. It depends what you're working with, just tie it up. Just watch me as I do it. Make sure the tying is very firm and strong. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, please. So after that, you measure your elastic. Here I'm using 6 inches for the elastic. Then I fix it in using my glue gun. Just watch the way I'm doing it here. Just watch carefully, you will grab everything. So after fixing your elastic, now it's time for you to put your wrapped fiber on the pattern, and you'll be doing that with your glue gun. You'll be doing that with your gun. You put your gun, then you fix it on it. Just watch me as I'm doing it. You hold it firm for the gum to dry up a little bit. Once the gum dry up, you use your needle that you put your thread on. You use it to secure it firmly. You secure it firmly. You carefully secure it with that needle. Just watch me as I do it. It's very, very simple. Please don't forget to subscribe, please. Also share, comment, and hit the like button. So here I'm just trying to set it up to fix it at the right side. Now I'm done fixing it. It's time for me to use my needle and secure it firmly, which I'm about to do here. Don't forget to subscribe, please. Just watch as I do it. Just secure it round with the thread and with the needle and thread. Just secure it round firmly with a neat stitching, hand stitching. Just secure it firmly. Okay, so here I'm done. I'm done here. I don't finish for here. Let us test it. Let's test and see. Can you see the bangle? Can you see this pink cushion? Can you see it cushion on my hand? So just so simple to do. Just within some minutes you are done with it. As you can see, I'm already done. Just putting my pin on it. Voila! Very beautiful. Don't mind the white thread I use, the white elastic I use. You can use black too if you want to make use of black. Thank you. So if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, share, comment, hit the like button like back. What is this? Please. And don't forget to turn on your notification bell. So anytime I upload a new video, you get notified ASAP, like